Hey, so in this video, we're gonna go over to see how to install a Facebook pixel on your ClickFunnels account. So this is a this is the ClickFunnels page, and we're gonna be installing the pixel here. So we're gonna go to our Facebook Ads Manager, okay? And so we drop down all the way here under Events Manager. Here, you click on Pixels, and you're gonna come to this page here. So we're gonna be creating a pixel now. Let me do this quickly. All right. So, what happened here? It's got bigger. Okay, so great. So then we click on continue. Okay, we're gonna be waiting for this to load, and then it's gonna give us a new pixel. What's happening? Okay, so here it says to set up your pixel. We'll click on this. Okay, so we're going to be adding manually our code to our ClickFunnel page. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and it's super simple. If you just click on this, it says copy to clipboard. All right, so I'm going to show you guys two ways of adding the pixel, and then I'll show you which one I prefer and why. So the first method of doing it, you can do it directly from you can just do it directly from here. If you go on into settings, and I'll wait for this to open. Okay, you can see under the head tracking code, you can do it from here. And the other option is if you go directly into here, you can do it from the tracking code here. So I prefer doing it directly here because I know it's on this specific page. So I can just paste it over here. I'll do it for you guys here. Okay, and look, there you go. So I know the pixel has been added here now. It's here. And then I save this, and I'm gonna preview it right now, and you're gonna see that yeah, there you go. There you go. That's it. Okay, so it's active now, and just to test to see if it's active, you can actually here you can give the URL for the ClickFunnel page so that you can actually see that it's active. You could take the URL, you paste it here, and then you send a traffic test. Just wait for this to load. And there you go. See, it shows that it's active. That means that it passed the test for traffic. So the Facebook pixel is active now. All right. So that was it. That's how you install a Facebook pixel onto your ClickFunnel page. So that way, any traffic that's coming here, you'll be able to know that you'll be able to retarget anyone coming onto this page with your Facebook pixel. Okay, so there you go. That's how you add your Facebook pixel to your ClickFunnel page. So anyone that comes onto this page but doesn't leave their name, email, or their phone number, you can always retarget them with Facebook ads and invite them back here so that they can fill out their information and become a lead, and yeah, just provide the information to you guys. So that was it. So I hope you found a lot of value with this. So if you would like more tips like that, I would invite you to continue watching some of my other videos as well, where I explain more helpful tips like this. So see you guys in the next video.